Hey, welcome back to the channel. After a month, I'm really sorry had not been posting since a month. It's because I have been caught up in some projects and the project I'm definitely gonna share with you real soon. But for now, hi, I'm Rohita Singh. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel below. And let's start with moisturizing our face. I'm using the Dot & Key 72 Hours Hydrating Gel. This is with probiotics and absolutely amazing moisturizer. I love this. And then I'm gonna start with the Insight 3-in-1 primer. Super affordable but a great primer. Only apply primer after letting your moisturizer sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to use the concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Deep and Medium. I'm using two shades to get the same skin tone as I am, and I'm using this trick. So I have this contour brush and spraying some setting spray on it, letting it a little get absorbed into the bristles of the brush, and then I'm gonna blend. It is absolutely an amazing trick. This blended my concealer really well. I didn't thought a contour brush with setting spray would give me such an amazing finish. You have to see it yourself. Wait for the final result of how this goes. I'm just using this contour brush for everything. Even I have this contour stick from Sugar Cosmetics and I'm applying it only on the contour areas. After I'm done with contouring my face, I will be switching up to my foundation. And before that, I'm gonna just have the brush dipped into the setting spray and start applying my foundation. For the foundation today, I'm gonna use the Kryolan foundation. This is a cake-based foundation. I'm in the shade FS28. Blend the foundation and concealer and also the contour really well with this single brush. This is gonna give you a flawless airbrush effect, and this is a definite amazing trick. You should definitely try this on. Today for setting my entire face, I am not directly spraying the setting spray on my face and letting it seep, but I'm gonna spray it on the brush and then apply it all over the face. For the blush, I'm using the Just Herbs Soft Nude. This is an amazing soft nude color for everyday wear. I'm using it as a blush on my cheeks and little on my chin, and this is a good flushed look. After that, I'm gonna double set my face using the NYX setting spray. This is in the matte. This is an amazing setting spray at a really affordable price. Let it sit for 2 minutes and we are gonna do our brows. For that, I'm using the Blue Heaven True Brow Definer. Every product I used in the video, I have already linked it in the description box. Please do check out. After that, I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. This is the white one. I am not using the translucent powder, which is the banana powder. The white one I'm using is because I want it to give me a more brighter effect. And now the trick for eyeshadow. I am using the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette. First going with a chrome metallic shade and applying it all over the eyelid space using fingers. Yes. If you have eyeshadow brushes, then definitely you can use a brush. But I wanted to have a more softer look, so I'm using my fingers. After that, in my pinky, I have taken a brown shade and I will be applying it only on the outer V and blending it to create a transition color. This is the pretty much eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to use the eyeliner. This is the sketch eyeliner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm also going to draw a inner wing, and after that I'm going to use my favorite Too Faced mascara. This is an absolute amazing mascara. And after that, I'm again going to set my face using the NYX setting spray. This is pretty much the makeup, no cakiness at all. At last, I'm going to take my favorite Sugar Cosmetics Gold Glory highlighter, apply it all over the cheeks, chin, a little on the nose, and this is an amazing lipstick shade that I got. It's from Kiro Beauty and it's in the shade Nutmeg Nude. I would definitely highly recommend this because this is an absolute beautiful shade. I love this. Now let's change our hair in a transition. It look better now. So this is the final look and I just love the finish. It's absolutely so natural, no kickiness, no heaviness, just the perfect amount of foundation, concealer, contour brush and everything. I definitely love this idea of setting and creating an even canvas using just single brush. I hope you love this and see you in the next video.